Hey guys, and welcome to another segment of Rowserworld. And today what we're going to be doing is mastering the eye shape through the use of the parallelogram. So if you guys have seen the first video, this is just a continuing practice with some other sets of eyes. So if you don't know what a parallelogram is, it's going to be a shape that looks like this. If you paid attention in geometry class, you will remember these shapes. If you didn't, well, you won't remember these shapes. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is our first model. How would we draw her eyes? So remember, this is the basis of your drawing. That means that these lines can be like this. They can curve, as long as you have these four basic ideas, right, in your drawing. So with her, she has very round eyes. So that means I'm gonna want to use a curvular shape. So I'm gonna curve the top of my shape. I'm going to bring a line off of the front of my shape. I'm going to bring a line off the back of my shape. I'm going to curve my line on the bottom of my shape. I'm going to do the same thing with her other eye. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to add the separator fold over her eye. Put some eyelashes or eyebrows. All right. Then we can just put some lashes here like so. Put some on the bottom. This is kind of how you soften up your shape some more. And then you add your eyeballs. 1, 2. A big black dot for the pupils. And maybe you might want to add some light in the eyes like that. So this parallelogram translated into this shape. Okay? Do you get it? Whoa. I know, right? That's what I said when I figured this out. Alright, let's do another set of eyes here. What about those eyes? She doesn't have quite a round eye, right? But let's do it, okay? So with her eyes are a little bit more skinnier. So I could use the same idea, 1, 2, but use shorter lines on the side. And instead of bringing the eye, and I can use the same line on the bottom actually. So let's just do this. So I'm just using shorter lines. Then I'll bring my line over the top, right? And then I'll bring my eyebrows in. Or eyelashes, or eyebrows, whatever you call it. Okay? Then I will put my eyes in there, and then I will make some lashes. Soften up my shape. And these, once again, have translated into some really cool cartoon eyes. Okay? And so we got maybe one more for the rodeo. Let's go to the next eyes. Oh, look at those. Okay. So now with these eyes, what I would do first is I would draw the eyebrows first. Then I would draw the shapes like so. Once again, we're going to go 1, 2, 3. Short shape in the back. 4. See? 1, 2. Short shape in the back. 3, 4. Eyeball. Eyeball. Pupil. Pupil. Line over the top. Line over the top. Eyelashes on top. And there you have it. Quick cartoon shape. So guys, I want to thank you for watching this video and tutorial. We'll be posting more videos and tutorials soon.
Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed that video tutorial. If you did, don't hesitate guys to go ahead and give us a like. Also guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notifications button. This way, when we put up new material, you'll be the first to know. If you have any questions about our markers or pens or paper, and you'd like to know where I get some of the materials that I use here on my art stream, there's a link in the description below, so you can go ahead and check that out as well. And also guys, we'd like to welcome your questions and comments so that we can get some new ideas. You know, it's always good to have new fresh ideas for our next and upcoming videos. Oh, and don't forget to check out these 2 super cool videos right here. So guys, thanks again for your love and support of our channel. You guys be safe out there. And as always guys, I wish you happy cartooning.